next, let's talk about bulleted lists and numbered lists. Doing bulleted lists and numbered lists in Word is quite easy, but it's also easy to cause formatting issues with it. So it's something you kind of have to be aware of its quirks. We're going to talk about those right now. The easiest way to see that is I'm going to set a first line indent. I'm going to come up here and set this so we have a first line indent set up with everything. And I can see that again by that top arrow being pulled over a 1/2 inch, bottom arrow being right where it is. And here you can see that I have the first line of each paragraph indented. So let's start making a bulleted list to start off. I've got this button up here in my ribbon, again under the home tab of the ribbon. It looks like 3 dots with 3 lines to the right of it. If I click that, I now start a bulleted list. Now, I can click the arrow to the right of that and get some different options as far as what the bullet looks like, and even make a new one, define it myself. But I'm going to come here and I'm going to say item 1, item 2, item 3. Now, I'm done with my bulleted list. You see it automatically put the bullets there for every one. So I want to undo this. The easiest way to do it as far as maintaining your formatting is just to click the bulleted button again. And now you'll see that even that caused an issue. I had a first line in it before, and now I have a left indent. So this is something that hopefully will be fixed in future updates with Office. But every time you make a list, double check your formatting, especially your indents, because it will quite often cause issues with it. Now, if I didn't have a first line indent set, then that wouldn't be an issue. So I'll just come here and start. Then we'll do the numbered list, which is just to the right of that. I can click the 1, 2, 3, and you'll see that I have a 1 all ready to go now. And I can say item 1, item 2, item 3. Now, another way to get out of my list is I can just press return again right now, and you can see that undid that, and I'm all ready to start typing again. Okay, so pressing return on the next item of the list without actually typing anything there will get rid of it. And that works the same with the bulleted list as well. Now I can also start a list very easily by just beginning to type what I want the list to start off with. So I can do a 1 and then a period and say item 1. And you'll see that the moment I press return, Word will recognize that I'm trying to do a list, and it'll go ahead and indent that a little bit and start with number 2. And again, I can say item 2, item 3. And now that I'm done, I could either go up and click on the little button on the ribbon again, or I can just hit return again and be ready to go. That was with numbers. I could do it the same thing with bullets. I'm going to go and do a hyphen and say item 1, and now I've got a hyphenated list. So that is bulleted and numbered lists in Word. Again, pretty straightforward, but if you're using indents, just after you've done your list, double check your indents, because it's pretty common that you'll have either a left indent that you didn't want to have, or you'll have a first line indent that has disappeared, something like that, and so you'll just need to readjust the indents.